All right, cousins, we're about to make some homemade chocolate chip cookies with non-GMO ingredients. So y'all better get ready. Now for this recipe, I use one plant-based stick of butter and another unsalted sweet cream stick of butter. Melted them in the microwave. Now for the recipe, you need to get 3 cups of all-purpose unbleached flour. You need to get a half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda and actually sift it all together. Once you get it sifted in a different bowl, you want to use a 1 cup of white granulated pure cane sugar. You want to use 1 cup of brown sugar. You want to use 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and put 2 large eggs in, one at a time. I'm using brown eggs, by the way, cousin. One at a time so it can make it nice, rich, and smooth. You see that, one at a time. Don't say I ain't tell you. Now, once you get this mixture all nice and creamy, baby, you want to go ahead and mix in that sifted dry batter together in the wet batter. There you go. You're going to pour it on in there. Now, once you pour it in there, it's going to get real thick. Nice, thick, and chunky, and real thick. This recipe is going to call for 2 teaspoons of hot water. So make sure you got that hot water turned on so you can make sure you get your 2 teaspoons of hot water. And use measuring cups, cousin, okay? Measuring spoons, too. Now, you want to get you a real spatula, a soft spoon, a spatula to get all the dough off of your mixing. Okay, because we want all of our dough because this is non-GMO. Then you want to get you some non-GMO chocolate chips, and this company is called Guitar. It took me a minute to find these non-GMO chocolate chips, but they are worth it. Okay, cousin, they are worth it. They are really delicious. You're not going to use that mixer no more. You're going to use the spoon to smooth those chocolate chips around, and then you're going to make little dough balls. You want them into balls so when they cook, they can flatten so beautifully, and you can freeze them and store them in a container like this. Look at them cookies, cousin. They turned out absolutely perfect and delicious. Once you try this recipe, leave a comment. Let me know how you like it.